Hi guys, and welcome to the video. So we're going to be doing a first impression video on new Revlon products that just came out. I love trying out new face bases, and Revlon came out with this new skin tint. I think I'm just going to focus on the skin tint, but I will be using the other products in this video. So this is the Photo Ready Lift and Fill Skin Tint by Revlon. Now, I tried out a color that was a little bit different than this on the back of my hand, and I do have to say that this is a true skin tint. The way it went onto my hand was probably not the way it's going to show on my face, so that's why I'm very excited to try it out. So I haven't rubbed it in, I actually just wiped it off of my hand, but it does leave a little bit of a sheen. So I'm excited because that just means my skin is going to look healthy. My skin is clean. I already cleansed my skin. I just need to do a little bit of moisturizer. We're doing the One Size Beauty Skin Studio Face Moisturizer. This is the Hydrosculpt moisturizer. This moisturizer I could see working for a lot of different skin types. Oh, I need a pimple patch. I just used a pimple patch the other day. I only left it on for like 20 minutes. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure if it worked very well. This is the Instant Blur Liner, and we're also gonna do the Instant Plump Serum. And then there's another lip product. I'm gonna try to do all the lip products. Stunning. The packaging is stunning. I haven't seen a bullet like this in years. Oh my gosh, look at that color. I do have some hyperpigmentation, some pimples, other hyperpigmentation here. I don't really believe this skin tint is gonna cover all of that. That's not usually what skin tints do. They just tint the skin. So you should be able to see my skin through the product. Should we say here? It's pretty good. So we'll see how it does here with all these blemishes and how it makes my skin look. Okay. Oh, okay. So it did cover some discoloration. Always drag it down your neck. Let's do more. So you can put this like directly on your face. I'm just putting it onto my sponge for today. That's how I feel most comfortable today. So right off the bat, I see that this foundation, this skin tint is adding moisture. Okay. So I have quite a bit of the product on. Color seems to be good. I am going to set this product, but I'm gonna wait a couple minutes before setting because I wanna know this is gonna dry down and look a little bit more matte. For those who don't know what matte means, it just means a little bit more one-dimensional. You just won't look as glowy. So first impression, this is very good for the colder months. And I think because my skin is trending on the drier side these colder months, I think my skin is now normal. All right, let's do a little bit of brows. Ooh, that's pretty. I love that this skin tint looks different than another popular skin tint right now. So you really can like take your pick. I think this product is more of like a mattifying. This is a foundation, a drugstore face base, the NYX Make 'em Wonder Soft Matte Buildable Foundation just came out. This is gonna give you that matte look if that's what you're looking for right now. And it's a drugstore product, it's similar pricing. Let's look closer. This is so pretty. I like the sheen. That's pretty. I haven't seen that from a product in a while. All right, let's just get these brows on. And then we'll see how the product dries down a little bit more. Help, help. I don't like that feeling. I'm praying out loud, asking God to help me with something. I just have to get through. I went a little ham and heavy on the brows because I'm still gonna put powder on my face. And I don't like having to redo my brows if I don't have to. We're gonna do blush before the powder. This is that Neutrogena blush, the pink Petal. She just came out. She's gorgeous. Now this product like stays dewy. We're not going to do too much to the eyes. I do have some new mascaras that I want to try out, but we're not going to do mascaras, not in this video. Let me know if you're more interested in this mascara or if you're more interested in this mascara. The face base has dried down. I love the way it's melting into my skin. I do get shiny around my eyes, so I'm definitely gonna powder. I'm just taking like an E.L.F. powder. I don't know which one this is. This is plumping. I can feel it. I'm not into this. I might take this back. I have to go that way on that side of town anyway. First impression on this product, I do like the illuminating sheen on this at first impression. And it does play well with the powder of my choice today. This is just a face powder.